Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error. This payment was cancelled for your production. When you send money to the person, it's showing that this payment was cancelled for your production. So how can you fix it? Just simply close this page. And firstly, let me tell you that when you send money to someone stranger for you, that's why it's showing this error. Okay guys, when you send money to a person first time and he is not in your contacts, then you see this type of interface. So how can you fix it? Just simply open setting, and firstly let me tell you that you have to scroll it on and then you have to tap on general. From here you have to scroll it on again and then you have to tap on date and time. Firstly let me tell you that you have to set automatically for this, and you have to select your time zone from here and then go back. And after that what you need to do is just simply scroll it down. And firstly let me tell you that if the person is stranger for you, then you have to save the number of this person in your contacts and then send him the money. If check if this error is exists or not. If this error is still exists there, then you have to do another things like open settings, and you have to turn the toggle on for aeroplane mode and then turn it off. And then you have to turn off your Wi-Fi if you are using Wi-Fi, and then you have to turn it on again. And then you have to open your mobile data. If you are using mobile data, you have to turn off your connection and then turn it on again, and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to scroll it down, tap on general, and then you have to scroll it down, tap on transfer reset iPhone. And from here you have to tap on reset, and from here you have to reset all settings. So you have to reset your all setting. So you have to tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting. No data media will be deleted. Okay guys, when you reset your all setting, then you have to restart your phone, and after that you have to log in your account in Cash App. I'll guarantee you after that your problem will be fixed. So that is guys for today's video. That was just a totally lagging. So my channel. Thanks for watching.